Namaskar friends, welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Today's video is about an advanced and top-notch robo vacuum cleaner Viomi Alpha S9 UV, and this video is powered by Viomi. Though I do have a basic and affordable robo vacuum at home, I've been thinking about an advanced model, and then Viomi offered me to try out their advanced model. Advanced models come loaded with features like an automatic dirt disposal, better mopping, and navigation. So let's see the unboxing and demo of Viomi Alpha S9 UV. Like always, whenever a new appliance or helping tool arrives at home, it is impossible for my son to hide his excitement. He just cannot wait to unbox. It has come neatly packed in another cardboard box. And this is how the main box looks from outside and inside after opening. This is the multilingual manual, easy to read and follow. Now comes the mopping plate with reusable mop pad attached to it. And finally, the main robo vacuum cleaner. This is the charging station, small box with some accessories and a corner brush. It has a premium look with glossy finish. I opted for black color, but it has a white option as well. And this is the charging station cum automatic dust removal unit, which is an awesome feature. It comes with 3-liter capacity dust bag that can provide up to 30 days of hand-free cleaning. Viomi Alpha S9 UV is the first robo vacuum with both UV sterilization technology, which kills bacteria, and auto dirt disposal system from a Xiaomi ecosystem chain company. We'll talk and explain more about this feature in the later part of this video. In the small box, you get additional 10 antibacterial disposable mopping pads and 2 disposable dust bags. It has 2 buttons on the top, power button and smart recharging button. On the top sits a laser radar that takes care of scanning the space. At the back of the machine, you will see its main rolling brush, a corner brush, 360 caster wheel, shock absorbing wheels, and these are the IR and anti-collision sensors. This is one push trash bin. All the dry trash gets collected here. And this is the 250 ml water tank that is utilized for mopping. Now let's connect it to the power. The charger base has LED indicators for charging and dust accumulation.
Turning on. Starting to charge.
This needs to be connected with the MI Home app. In the first run, it maps the entire house. Laser technology is quite accurate and fast. It can memorize maps of several rooms and even several floors, which is helpful for big houses and large floor areas. You can also choose a specific room or a specific spot in a room that needs to be cleaned repeatedly and more precisely. If you do not want it to clean any part of the house or want to restrict any areas such as utility, balcony and bathrooms, just mark it on the map and machine is happy to skip them. It has a suction power up to 2700 pascals. This means it is a strong and capable unit when it comes to cleaning. Viomi claims this specific model has a UV feature that kills up to 99.99% of 5 types of harmful bacteria. Quite helpful, especially in times like these. Viomi Alpha S9 UV can automatically detect the surface such as carpet or hard floor in order to vary the suction for improved and efficient cleaning. It has 3 vacuuming modes: vacuum, vacuum and mop, and mop. There are 4 levels of suction power ranging from quiet to strong. There is also an option for 3 levels of water outflow. What this means is one can easily choose and customize the specific task that needs to be done. It cleans almost anything on the floor. Tiny dust, hair strands, fine particles. Its large 5200 mAh battery can keep the robo vacuum going for up to 3 hours, which means about 3000 square feet house can be easily cleaned in one go at the lowest suction level. It can reach the corners and under the furniture provided there are no obstructions on the way and furniture is higher than its height. Anti-drop sensors prevent any accidental falls, say from stairs or balconies. As I have mentioned before, Viomi Alpha S9 UV can also mop the floor, which is a great feature for Indian households. Just fill up the water in the water tank here, attach the mop pad and it is ready to mop. It follows two patterns. The standard S mode, where it moves from one corner of the room to another in a straight line, and another called Y mode, where it moves back and forth making a Y pattern that simulates human-like pro cleaning. For regular daily cleaning, S mode is good enough as this mode is power efficient, takes less time and uses less water, but the Y mode is better for thorough cleaning or spot cleaning. My initial impressions that I've been using it for a week now, it mops quite well. Automatic dirt disposal is another great feature that I was really keen to see. After completing the cleaning cycle, when Robo Vacuum Cleaner returns to its charging station, it automatically empties its dust container. Isn't it great? The charging base is thus larger in this case because there is a disposable dust bag in it. So when the dust bag is full, which usually takes about 30 days, simply remove it and dispose it. Maintenance is simple like any other vacuum cleaner. I just went over the pages in the manual where maintenance practices are explained pictorially and it looks pretty easy. You can program it to start at specific time and for specific area in advance. It will start automatic cleaning at selected time, which makes your routine easy and comfortable. The app can help you to see all the previous cleaning records. With remote control feature, you can manually navigate the Robo Cleaner. Also, one can ask the Robo Cleaner to clean the specific area of specific room. It is loaded with lot of great features which can make your cleaning easy and simple. Now let's come to the pricing. Price of Viomi Alpha S9 UV is around Rs 50,000. At this price, it looks quite competitive considering the advanced features. Its automatic dirt disposal, mopping and better navigation makes it worthy of it. In the current times when we are doing everything by ourselves or otherwise for those who prefer to stay independent, it can provide a great helping hand when it comes to maintaining a clean home. The machine has an altitude limitation of 2000 meters. Also in the mop mode, it may take 1 or 2 runs to estimate the water flow to refill the tank. I found it great and accurate in cleaning and mopping. Very helpful for regular cleaning. If you wish to buy this model or would like to know more about it, check out the link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.